Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to address all your questions regarding the IB certificate course. Now, I have made already one video, what is the importance of IB course, why you need to go for the IB certified teacher course. So I will link the video here in the I button, so you can go and check out what is the importance, why you need to have a IB certificate course as a teacher. Now, in this video, I'm going to answer from where you can do the IB course, how can you apply. I will guide you step by step because many of you, I mentioned the website in the last video, but you are still struggling to reach the exact step. So you were not able to get the exact address from where I did my IB certification course. So without any delay, let's start today's video. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing because this is a teacher community where we are helping to each other to hustle and to reach to a desired salary which every teacher is dreaming about. So without any delay, let's into the video. First of all, many of you were asking what is the exact website of the IB from where you can do the IB certification for as a teacher. So I will mention the website here, plus I will provide the link in the description. The website is www.ibo.org. So this is the website here. I provided and flash on the screen also. So go and check out this website. Now the second question come, can I do the certificate course online or can I do it offline? See, if I'll talk about India, in India there are two institutions which are providing this course offline, and these are, first one is the AGA, I think it's AGA, AGA, I don't know, correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, Aga Khan Academics, and this is in Hyderabad. So I will show you or flash attach the screenshot on the screen. So the address is also given in the screenshot. It is in Hyderabad in the Mandal or some Maheshwara Mandal district, Telangana. So this is the exact address of this university or this institution which is providing this course offline. So if you are willing to visit and go and do the course there face to face, so you can contact this institution. Next one is the Christ institution, which is deemed to be a university soon, and this is in Bangalore, Karnataka. I will attach the screenshot of this institution also, and the mail address and the phone numbers are also mentioned in the screenshot. So you can, if you want to do this course face to face, you can contact these institutions via phone numbers or via mail, and you can visit them to do the course face to face. So this is all about offline course. See, this is the information which I get to know from the website or from my sources. So if you still can explore and send them the query, and you can do this course online also. Now for online, I would suggest you will send the mail on, I will mention the email ID here, ibec@ibo.org. This is the mail ID. You will send your questions on this, and they are very frequent in answering the mails. So send all those queries regarding the payment, regarding the fees, regarding the online course, when are the dates available, everything you can send here and they will reply back to you. Now I will come to the authenticity. I did my course online, and some of my colleagues, they went to Bangalore, Karnataka, they did it face to face from there. Now both the courses have equal authenticity, and the certificate which we get via online or offline have the same validity and have the same the accreditation, whatever credit you will get same. There is nowhere mentioned on the online that you did it online and not even face. It's just our personal satisfaction that we want to attend it face to face, and how you will prefer to learn it. Again, the duration of this certificate course is 4 weeks or a month, and when I did it online, they had flexible hours. I did it maybe sometime at the day, sometime at the night. They will just provide you the task, and you have to do these tasks, and you have to submit it by the end of the week. When I come to the fee structure, there there I paid around 40,000, and now I have checked on their website, the fees increased to around 45 to 48k depending on your subject and your level. Now there are 3 level. The one, like who are going to start the career in IB, they can go for level 1. Once you finish level 1 and teach for 1 year, you can apply for level 2 and then level 3. Like that you can increase your level of IB certificate course. Apart from that, they do have the leadership courses also, where you can get the IB certificate as a coordinator, as a head of the department, as a principal. Like that you can do it, and you can apply to the IB schools in India as well as outside. There are 3 type of courses they are available. The first one is the PYP. The teachers who are teaching grade 1 to 5 can go for PYP, level 1, level 2, level 3 as per your requirement. Second one is the MYP. MYP is for the middle school. The teachers who are teaching grade 6 to 10 can go for the MYP course. Next one is the diploma program. The teacher who are teaching grade 11 and 12 can go for the diploma program course. Now I will guide you how can you go directly and apply for the workshop or the certificate course. So I will give you the direct link here or as well as in the description box also. So what you need to do, you need to click on the link, and then this screen will get open in front of you. So this screen, I have clicked on the link which I have given here as well as in the description box. I will write in the description box direct link for the workshop or for the course. Now here you will see find workshop. Now you want to first, they have given the option, you want to apply for face-to-face, online, or how you want to do it. What is your category, you want to do for PYP, primary teacher, middle school teacher, diploma program, or career related leadership, or many other high level management or admin courses also. Then third one is, you see at the right side, workshop category. So workshop category are 1, 2, 3. So level 1 who are going to start, we all. And then second, if you have done level 1 course before, then the third if you have done 1 and 2 level course before. Then I'm come to the IB region, we are in Asia Pacific, so we'll choose IB Asia. Then which country, we are in India, so we can choose India. Which language you want the course, English. And then here are the dates, which dates you want, when you want to do the course, in June, July, or in which month you want to do the course, and which date you want to start accordingly. For example, I want to do it online and I want to start in July, around 1st of July. So till what date, maybe at the end of the July, so I can check what all courses are available. So these all courses are there. If you will choose your subject also, so you can get it more, these all courses are starting on 22nd of July, head of the school. These are available in July. See, I will type here chemistry. I am looking for a chemistry workshop. Now I am looking for a diploma. I am teaching grade 11 and 12. I am going to teach workshop category first, and I am doing it online. As I do, I want the language English. Now I select days, this to any date, maybe till August, any date is available, I will go for it. I will check any. Okay, this is the chemistry category 1 is going to start on 3 of August till 31st of August. Like that it come, and you can click on the course and you can apply. And when I open, and these all courses are also available. Now I can add it to my calendar and I can send them mail and I can apply here. So can you see here, this is a register for event. I can click on this register for event and I can apply for my this one workshop. So like that the form will get open in front of. I need to fill my details like my work, where I'm working, my phone number, my job title, and then when I will complete this form, then they will take it to the payment option. Now when I'll talk about any of the doubt, I've given the mail ID. You can mail them and they will come back to you and then reply back to you. If still any doubt is there, you can post in the comment box and I will try to answer as frequently I can. I hope I'm able to solve the questions which all you were asking about the IB course. I hope you really like the video. If you like the video for whatever reason, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.